Hi, my name is Jay Andrews. I've been a criminal defense attorney for more than 38 years. Recently, I suffered a stroke. For me, having a stroke was no more traumatic than plugging a cord into a socket. There was never any pain or dizziness. I had no indication that there might be something wrong. I remember the day of my stroke. I went to the early church service, which I do frequently as an ordained minister. After the service, I returned home and relaxed by watching football for the rest of the day. I felt fine, and that night I went to bed without any reason to suspect a problem. In the middle of the night, I tried to get out of bed, but couldn't move the lower half of my body. My wife convinced me to go to the emergency room, and we went to Chandler Regional Medical Center. It was there I met Dr. Pandy, the hospital stroke director, who was like a breath of fresh air. With a series of drawings, Dr. Pandy showed me a diagram of my brain, pointing out the areas where I'd suffered a stroke that leaked blood into my brain. He also pointed to areas where I had previously suffered a series of silent strokes. Dr. Pandy was informative and upbeat in his explanation, but making me aware that my condition was fairly serious. Dr. Pandy sent me for 2 MRIs and ordered additional tests. I was at Chandler Regional Medical Center for 4 days, but tests continued upon my release. The test confirmed that what Dr. Pandy suspected, a blockage in my carotid arteries. I will have surgery in the near future to remove the blockage. The message I want to share with you is that I felt fine. I didn't experience typical warning symptoms of a stroke, but have since learned that silent strokes can kill. I'm glad my wife encouraged me to go to the emergency room that night, and if you suspect any early warning signs of a stroke, please dial 911 immediately. I am thankful for Dr. Pandy's expertise. Without it and with a lack of symptoms, I would have never known that I had a stroke. I'm also grateful to the many people who have taken care of me while at Chandler Regional Medical Center. I tell everyone this is my hospital of choice, and I can't imagine receiving better care anywhere else in the world.